Welcome to UC Today with me, David Dungay. We are here reporting live from Cloudcom Summit 2022. I'm here with Thomas John, let me get that right, from Five9. Welcome to the show. Thomas, how are you doing?
Thank you, David. It's a pleasure to be here with you again, and thank you for sparing the time.
Fantastic. So we're at Cloudcom Summit. Tell me, what are a few of your key sort of highlights from the show today?
Well, one of the highlights is it's a lovely hotel, right? So we're at the Leonardo Royal here, but the word I keep on hearing is analytics. It seems to be on the forefront of a lot of UC providers' minds and consequently the customers, so they're feeding back on how rich a data and how important, therefore, the analytics is to treat that data and then provide the best output for the customer. So analytics seems to be a buzzword here today.
Fantastic. So obviously today we're talking about service providers a lot as well. Tell me, what kind of challenges are you solving for your service provider customers right now?
Yeah, so look, I guess the elephant in the room is the world is going through unstable times, and we can't ignore that. And so for a lot of service providers, they're looking to reduce costs, and we're finding the IVA, so AI, comes in and actually slimlines their staff count and produces optimal levels of output. So you've suddenly got, okay, these agents, we can use them somewhere else, and we can use technology like Five9 IVA to produce the first line resolution. And so we're seeing service providers pick up on that a lot. That seems to be a big trend at the moment that we're seeing within that industry.
So we are in uncertain times, unfortunately. But looking ahead, hopefully better times on the horizon. What are you excited about for the coming year? What kind of tech, what kind of trends are playing on your mind right now?
Yeah, great question. And yeah, we must be optimists in that, we will turn the corner. And what's going to be in the forefront is there's a new way of working, right? So I don't call it working from home or even working from the office. It's work from anywhere. And therefore, when agents go home, what we're finding we see is going to be cutting edge is how can we gamify their world? Bring a virtual scenario in to an agent, enabling them, him or her, to actually have a virtual character, and based on how they do during the day, they get coins, so they collect prizes they can win for it. And what that does for the contact center is you've got a more enthusiastic agent who wants to do their job better. And actually what we find now with mental health, it keeps them more engaged, David. So they're at home and they're hearing customer complaints all day. But if you can gamify their world, well, it's a game changer, pardon the pun. That was cheesy. And look, I'll ask you a question. What do you think is the most popular prize when they collect all these coins and they do a good job? What do you think, they buy with that? Do you think it's an iPhone, Apple Watch?
It's got to be technology, right? The youth of today, they love their tech. So I'm hoping the answer is more tech.
Right, well, you know what? That is in the top three. But actually the number one is they buy Fridays off. So they use all the coins that they attain and they take Fridays off. And yeah, this generation are gamers anyway, so we find it's revolutionizing the contact center and also the back office, because a lot of people work from their home now and you've got to keep them motivated. So yeah, Five9 IVA, AI and Gamification, look out for it.
Fantastic. Thomas, it's always a pleasure to talk to you. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you, David. Always a pleasure.
And thank you for watching. You've been watching me, David Dungay, on UC Today. If you like today's conversation, please give us a like and a share on social media. That's it from me. See you next time.